The real reason we're here is for these students, right? They're the true heroes. I came to the program, there was no direction. I kind of set some rules and boundaries and all that, and I don't think they liked it. And I'm pretty sure they didn't like me for a while. We kind of grew respect for each other, and now we do. We like each other. We became a family.
My OCSD experience was honestly amazing. It was such a great opportunity getting to go over there for a month and getting to learn from all the different schools.
It is an honor to be part of this program, this Orange County Sustainable Decathlon that these students built with an amazing team, with the community behind all of this.
I just really want to thank the students. The students are the main reason that we're here at Rancho Cielo. This is the main reason that we took this project on, was to showcase our students that they can do it, that they have the abilities to go out and learn what they need to learn and perform and show basically the world that, yeah, Rancho Cielo is here and we're here to stay.
I'm grateful and I'm thankful for being a part of this project.
Overall, we won the overall prize, first place, and we brought it back here to Salinas, California in our ranch, which is a Rancho Cielo Youth Center.
Thank you, Rancho Cielo sponsors and donors, for involving us, the students, and not only the students, but all professionals.
Thank you so much for your support and for all the sponsors and everything. Thank you so much.